Are you feeling lost in the Insta jungle? Your growth might be missing this secret weapon. Hey Instagram enthusiasts! Today we're addressing a common struggle. You've been pouring your heart and soul into your content, stunning photos, captivating captions, engaging stories. You followed all the advice out there, but your follower count seems stuck in neutral. We've all been there. You see other accounts exploding, wonder what they're doing differently, and feel a tad discouraged. Don't worry, because chances are, there's one crucial ingredient missing from your Instagram growth recipe. Here's the thing folks, there's a missing growth multiplier that can take your Instagram presence to the next level. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss this game-changing tip. See you in a bit. No doubt, Instagram is one of the most popular social media platforms in the world. With more than 1 billion users around the world, it is the most preferred platform. When it first came out, it didn't offer many features more than Snapchat. Yet, in time, Instagram came up with creative ideas and features. That is why Facebook bought Instagram in 2012. Probably they saw the bright future of the app and bought it. Since then, Instagram is rapidly growing with more and more features. Anyway, features play a big role in the popularity of Instagram, but one reason is that it is very user-friendly. Instagram developed so much in recent years that people have started to become famous on the app. That is why buying Instagram followers became a thing. Just like on other platforms, the quantity of your followers matters on Instagram. Of course, there are many ways to get more followers. Many websites and blogs have explained how to get more followers on the app. Although these ways are not wrong, they are quite challenging and takes time. That is why people consider buying followers would be easier to achieve success. Although social media is something entertaining, it is not just about it anymore. Since Instagram is the most popular platform, it is possible to see various uses of Instagram. You can use it only for entertainment or for business. By business, we mean all kinds. Instagram offers a business profile option, but if your aim is to make money on Instagram, you don't have to have a business profile. Nowadays, being an influencer is very popular on all social media platforms. However, Instagram has a special place when it comes to influencing. If you want to grow your account, you can buy followers to give yourself a quick start in your Instagram experience. It is very easy and safe to start this way. So what are the actual advantages of buying followers for Instagram? Gaining visibility. When you purchase followers, you will gain visibility on Instagram. This way, you will have a chance to make your posts appear on the Explore page and get discovered by many more people. It is definitely a good start for a successful account with many followers. Building trust. When people visit your profile and see your follower number, they will think that this profile is something worth following. Don't think of it as a fraud. By buying followers, you're taking a shortcut for success. You would get successful eventually, but why wait? Start becoming popular now and boost your account. Key to organic followers. Starting with followers bought from allies, you will get a lot of help having organic followers. Just like the snowball effect, your followers will increase according to the number of your current followers. The more you have, the more you get. That is why, if you want to reach as many people as possible, you should buy Instagram followers to access your goal quickly. Alright everyone, that's all the secret sauce we have for you today. Remember, focus on creating awesome content, engage with your audience, and maybe consider that little growth boost if you feel stuck. The link for those services is down in the description, but like I said, the choice is yours. The most important thing is to keep creating, keep learning, and keep having fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button and subscribe for more YouTube growth tips and tricks. We'll be back soon with even more awesome content to help you dominate the platform. Until next time, keep on creating.